the all-new Nick's Adventures camera. Let's get right into the video.
Nick's Adventures, yeah!
Hey everyone, welcome back to Nick's Adventures, and today I'm going to show you the all-new camera for Nick's Adventures, the DJI Spark drone. So, this is going to be a complication of videos filmed by the drone with my commentary. So, let's get right into the video. Alright, so as you can see here, the drone's footage is extremely stable because it has what's called a gimbal, and it'll move with the drone. So that's why these shots look so stable. Now here in this scene, my mom is demonstrating the active track feature with the drone, and as you can see here, it is tracking her as she runs down. Now when it's moving forward, that's me moving it because it won't move forward for me for some reason, or I just haven't figured that out yet. Now these two shots here are showing how the drone performs in sport mode, which disables the obstacle avoidance mode that the drone has on it, and it makes the drone go extremely fast, up to 20 miles an hour I've got the drone to. Yeah, pretty fast. As you can see in this shot here, the drone is out of sport mode, and as you can see here, the camera is way more stable and the drone is going a lot slower. Alright, so here's a shot of it in sport mode. As you can see, it's going backwards extremely fast right there, and yeah, that's sport mode. There's me, and there's another me. Now here's a shot of a creek I have, aka the secret pathway. And yeah, so it leads under this bridge here, and when in the summertime the water goes down, I can go under the bridge. And yeah, that's the secret pathway. Ah yes, there's my neighborhood. Oh, but flying a drone wasn't perfect. Oh yeah, cinematic scenes, but guess what? A pole. Ah yes, what a great place to land the drone than a tree. Nice one.